Hello guys, so I've been using Emitrr for about a year now, and I have to say, it's been a real game changer for how I manage communication with my clients. From the start, I was searching for a conversational AI platform that could make texting easier, especially for appointment reminders and follow-ups. Whether you're in retail, healthcare, or any other service-based business, this is a tool that can really streamline your communication processes. Emitrr checks all those boxes perfectly. The setup was surprisingly simple, even though I'm not super tech-savvy. I was able to get up and running without needing to call in an IT expert. The interface is pretty intuitive, making it accessible for beginners. Sure, the settings UI could be a little more user-friendly, but after spending some time with it, it became second nature. Once you get the hang of it, everything becomes easy to navigate, which is a huge time saver in the long run. One of my favorite things about Emitrr is the SMS templates and chatbot features. They save me a ton of time because I don't have to write the same messages over and over. For example, I've created templates for appointment confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups, and now I can send them out with just a click. The chatbot handles a lot of common questions from clients automatically, which frees me up to focus on other parts of my business. If you've ever been swamped answering the same basic queries, you know how much time this feature can save. The chatbot can handle things like answering basic FAQs or providing information about business hours, which helps ensure your clients get timely responses, even when you're busy. I also really appreciate the call recording feature. It's handy for going back to important conversations or clearing up any misunderstandings. Whether it's a discussion about a service or a payment issue, the ability to listen to the conversation again makes resolving disputes easier. It's these small features that, over time, make a huge difference in how efficiently I run my business. Customer service has been absolutely top-notch. Every time I reached out with questions or for help customizing the platform to fit my specific needs, their team was quick, friendly, and genuinely interested in helping. This kind of customer support is rare, and it really sets Emitrr apart. That level of support makes me feel like they actually care about their customers, which isn't always the case with software companies. It's reassuring to know that if I encounter any issues, there's a team ready to help me out, whether it's through email, chat, or phone support. One thing that stood out to me compared to other platforms is that Emitrr uses traditional text messaging instead of relying on social media apps. This is great because some of my clients don't use smartphones regularly, but everyone has access to regular SMS. It's more universal, and it helps me reach a wider audience. In businesses where your clients vary in age or technological comfort levels, SMS is a great equalizer. Plus, their platform is HIPAA compliant, which gave me peace of mind since I work in healthcare. If you're handling sensitive information or patient data, knowing that your platform is secure and meets legal requirements is crucial. This compliance is especially important in industries like healthcare, where privacy is a top priority. The reliability of the service is another huge plus. I haven't experienced any major downtime, and the messages always go through quickly. In the fast-paced world of customer service, you don't have the luxury of waiting around for things to work. Knowing that messages are sent and received without delay has been a huge asset to my business. They also update the platform regularly, but not just for the sake of adding features. They actually listen to user feedback and roll out improvements that make sense. For example, they added a review management tool that lets me monitor all my business reviews from different platforms in one place. This feature has been incredibly useful for keeping my online reputation in check without extra hassle. Instead of logging into each platform to check reviews individually, I can now manage everything from a single dashboard. This helps me stay on top of customer feedback and respond quickly if needed. Overall, Emitrr just works. It's straightforward, affordable, and backed by a team that genuinely wants to help you succeed. Whether you're a small business owner, work in healthcare, or run a franchise, this platform can save you time and make communication with your customers a lot smoother. It simplifies your workflows and enhances customer engagement, making it easier to keep your clients happy. I definitely recommend giving it a try if you want an effective texting platform with great customer service and useful features that keep evolving.